First beer was my old man's heavy. I stole out of that shop fridge Friday night. Heaven seemed like a long ways off. The radio sounded like Tim McGraw, and everybody knew you buy your four-wheel drive. We were putting miles on Main, sweating in the heat for a couple of bucks to buy beer and gasoline, so we could put some miles on Main. Back then we was all about getting out, but now I'd give anything to put a couple miles on Main. We all swore that the world dropped off 2 rows south of that Baptist cross, so we always turned around at the welcome sign. We'd head on down and set up shop in back of that Hardy's parking lot till Barney run us off with his spotlight. And we'd be back to putting miles on Main, sweating in the heat for a couple of bucks to buy beer and gasoline, so we could put some miles on Main. Back then we was all about getting out, but now I'd give anything to put a couple miles on Main. Putting Washington mountains, logging roads through the Washington mountains, logging roads through the Washington mountains. Far cry from the Southland, far cry from the muddy water I always knew. Emerald blue.
if things get hard. Honey, now that your shackles been lifted, you're a sweet young thing and you're oh so gifted. Will you let me know if things turn bad? I wasn't looking for trouble, but trouble came. I wasn't looking to change, I'll never be the same. But that's not what you make it, baby. Send me a postcard when you get to where you're going. Send me a line to everything you left behind. Honey, now that I've found my way and I miss you more than I can say, won't you promise to say a prayer for me? Honey, now that morning's coming, we're both still out on the run. Won't you let me know if you feel free? We were looking to mend it, but we tore. I arose in the morning when you spoke in your slumber the truth that you've been hiding of another you have chose. The tales of her beauty from your lips came unknowing, and the tears down my cheeks, how they flow. Now you don't have to whisper, I know. I went down to the water with the ashes of a letter. The words that you had wrote her, I had burned till they were cold. But my love is eternal, a flame never ending. So the tears down my cheek, how they flow. Now you don't have to whisper, I know. And the song remains true. It will always be of you and your secret now forever we will hold. Now you don't have to whisper, I